Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, and your AC air conditioner does not work. Okay, the clutch doesn't turn on. Stay with us guys and we'll explain which two fuses to check, guys. You actually have two fuses for the AC, so stay with us guys and we'll explain all that. In the meantime guys, let me introduce you to the channel guys. We'll have more than 200 videos on Chevy Cruze and every vehicle we get at the shop. Why? Because our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, like, subscribe guys, and please drop a comment, honest comment, and let us know how we can improve, what you like and what you don't like. Thank you guys for the feedback. Now, what we need to do guys, okay, you have two fuse boxes. One is inside, okay, one is under the hood. So if we come right here now guys, okay, if your AC doesn't work, okay, you turn the button on, the car is running, you turn that button on and it doesn't work, you need to check fuses guys before you start working on anything else, because it could be something super simple. So let's go ahead, open the hood of the vehicle first. Okay, support it here. Perfect. Now this is guys the fuse box that we'll be looking at first. So right here now we have 1, 2, 3 clips that we need to squish on each side. Pull up, one here, that cover will come out. Now the first guys fuse that we're looking at, it's fuse number 62. It will be this fuse, okay, right here. This is fuse number 62 guys. It should be a 10 amp fuse. So we'll use the fuse puller here, push that thing towards the back, pull up, go on top of the fuse, okay, and now you need to squish here and pull it out. Sometimes they'll get stuck guys. So this is your fuse. In our case ours is burnt. Okay, let me focus a little bit so you can see. Okay, that element inside, it's completely guys burnt. In some cases you will not be able to see that because some fuses on some vehicles are not so clear. They will be like that and you won't be able to tell guys. So how you can do that, how you can know for sure if the fuse is good or bad, get a voltmeter guys. Okay, we'll have this one listed in the description of the video below. We'll set it at continuity testing now, and if I touch guys one end of the fuse, okay, with one of the probes and the other end of the fuse, if it's a good fuse it will make connection and it will show us 0 resistance here. Nothing. I'll get a replacement fuse guys. Okay, check out in the description of the video below where we get those fuses. The whole box for unbelievable price guys, very affordable price. And now we are going to test this one. This is the good fuse. Check this thing out guys, we're going to get zeros. So all we have to do in our case now, push that fuse in. Okay, perfect. Now with that same, okay guys, fuse puller, we're going to go on the inside, okay, because we have one more fuse. And this one is by the, okay, by the steering wheel, right here. This cover will need to be removed, okay, like that. And the fuse that we need to check now guys, it's fuse number, okay, fuse number 17. Okay, let me just adjust the light a little bit so you can see better. Fuse number 17 guys, okay, let me make sure it was for sure 17. Yes, number 17 will be 15 amp fuse and it will be this fuse right here. So I will go ahead, get the fuse puller on top of it, pull it out, inspect it. This definitely guys, okay, looks like a good fuse. So those are the two fuses guys that you need to check. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.